Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you are having a wonderful day. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, be sure to like it. Today we will be fixing the cheapest slimes that I bought from the internet. I didn't even know what was in this box because there were several orders and it is not known which came first. When I opened it, I saw a lot of slimes. They all look beautiful, but what is inside? Oh, it seems like they all need my help. I will pick a few random slimes to fix. First slime we will fix will be pink. Let's try to make it look decent. First, I need a large bowl. I am going to use aloe vera to soften this slime. I add aloe vera and mix. Then I will add glue and stir it well all the time. I will also need a thickener, just a little. I want to knead it in my hands. It is so pleasant to the touch, it is so cool to play with. I have a couple of ideas on how we can change this slime. I want to simply divide it into 2 parts and color each of them. I will make 1 part purple, the second pink. I tried to color it with glitter. I mixed it well, but the color did not turn out the way I wanted. So I decided to add clay. With its help, I will get both a rich color and a soft consistency. I will stir it well so that the color is more even. Now we need to combine them together, but not mix them. Next, take an empty jar and pour our slime into it. What a beauty! Do you like it? And of course, decoration, where would we be without it? And now let's see what was there and what came out. I'm delighted. Write your comments. Next will be the yellow slime, which we will correct. Let's try to bring it into a decent form. It is quite hard, it will not be easy to soften it. Of course, it does not stretch because it simply tears. And so I need a large bowl again. I lower the slime into it. Next, I am going to use aloe vera to soften this slime. It seems that you can't mix it like that, you will have to use your hands. When the slime has already softened quite well, you can mix it with a spatula. Then I will add a thickener, just a little. I will crush it in my hands. Very beautiful color, and the slime is pleasant. Next, we take an empty jar and lower our slime into it. What a beauty! I'll decorate it with foam, glitter, and a lemon charm. Do you like it? Now let's see what was done. And what happened? I'm delighted. Now let's mix it all up. It's amazing how the texture of the slime changes with the help of foam. It's become so light and airy. So fun to play with. I love slimes. And you? Write your comments.